What's happening, my fellow geeks and geekettes? Welcome to a brand new episode of Cosplay Chris, and today it is a collectible review. Today I'm going to be unboxing, reviewing, playing with, goofing around with the Ikon Collectables 1:1 scale Justice League Trident replica wielded by Aquaman. Now firstly, a massive thank you to the team at Ikon Collectables for sending this out for me to unbox and review. I've literally only sliced open the tape on the cardboard shipping box itself, had a little peek. I know what the Trident itself comes in. It comes dismantled. It comes in something very cool, very themed, and you can tell these guys have put a lot of work into this piece. Now this piece is available for purchase on the Pop Culture store. I will leave the link down below, and you can also check out Ikon Collectables on their website and see the other amazing statues, replicas, props, everything that they offer. These guys really put in the nitty-gritty details of their pieces, and that is something I really appreciate, as you know. So being a 1:1 scale replica, the box is pretty big, even though it comes dismantled. Why is there a leaf here? Clearly there is not enough room in my room to unbox this beast, so we're gonna go out to the living room, also where it's air conditioned because it is blisteringly hot today. I'm gonna unbox it for you, show you guys the ins and outs, how to put it together, and then we're gonna have some fun with it. Okay, so here is the shipper box in all its glory. As you can see, we've got Ikon Collectables, Aquaman's Trident, limited edition replica. So these are actually numbered out of 500. Only 500 of these have been made. So I am number 406. You can see just down there. So this is pretty cool and pretty special. So, like I said, I've only cut open the top of the shipper box. As we open it, I'm greeted with a lovely little note here from Ikon Collectables themselves. Thanks, Cosplay Chris. Enjoy this amazing piece as much as we enjoyed developing it. Any issues, please don't hesitate to give me a call. Warmest regards, Ikon Collectables design team. And as you can see, we've got the lovely Momoa there dressed in his Justice League attire with his trident. So this is the 1:1 scale replica that is inside the box. So as we remove the first cardboard panel here, you can see we're in for a treat. This looks like a treasure chest of some sort. So what I'm gonna do is just remove the supporting foam. I'm actually very excited about this. It's been teasing me all week. I've been waiting until this week to do the unboxing itself. Wow. Make sure there's nothing else inside the box. Wow, look at this. This looks absolutely beautiful. We've got a tag on here, Aquaman Trident Replica Limited Edition. This item is intended as a replica for display only. This item is not a toy for ages 16 and over. Serious injury or death may result from misuse. Good to know. I don't want to cut this hessian thread here, so I'm gonna try and just undo it myself. There we go. So there's a close-up of the tag that comes on the chest itself with the lovely death warning on the back. Okay, moment of truth. We got hay. We got a replica of hay. Okay, let's see what we got here. Warning, this product is inherently dangerous. This product is not a toy. This is intended for adults only with the purpose to display. Serious injury or death may result from misuse. This is the responsibility of the buyer/owner to ascertain and obey all applicable local, state, federal, and international laws regarding the purchase and possession of this item. The owner represents that they are legal age and that the product will be used in a lawful manner. Ikon Collectables and its associates entities assumes no liability or responsibility for any harm or injury resulting in the sale, trade, or use or handling of the product. This is the responsibility of the buyer/owner to handle the product with care. Keep out of reach of children. Well, that's it. I'm done. It can't be in reach of me. Okay, so if we sift through, my God, these guys have put a lot of effort in. What do we got here? We've got another piece here, Aquaman's Trident. It's even got a breakdown of how this thing comes disassembled. So I'm actually gonna turf this hay into the shipper box. Try and make as little mess as possible. So it looks like we've got our first layer here, which is in a hessian sack. Okay. So turn this around. Undo the cord here at the top. There we go. Oh my God, wow. Wow, look at that. Oh, this thing is beautiful. So this is the first layer and this is the top of the Trident. See all the lovely detail there. Like I said, this is a replica of the Trident from Justice League. and obviously the one he wields at the beginning of Aquaman, it's his mama's trident. Even though this is just the top of the trident, it's got some weight to it. Just take these pieces off here. This thing is nuts. So obviously it all screws in place. We've got the screw thread there. I'm pretty sure this is resin / fiberglass from just having a look, and kind of smells like fiberglass. Okay, that is the first layer down. I'm just gonna pop this behind. Okay, we've got the second layer. Wow, I've never seen such attention to detail on a prop replica before. This thing is nuts. So looks like we are on the final layer, which is the rest of the trident. So it looks like, feels like 3 pieces. So again, I'm just gonna undo the string. Okay, so the bag is sewn in 3 individual areas, which I think is a fantastic idea, because that way it's gonna eliminate any damage being done to the rest of the pieces. So we have 1, 2, God, this actually does feel like steel. I don't know what it is made from. It's got me boggled. Okay, 3. Look at this lovely mess here. It adds character to the decor. So the middle pieces here are definitely metal, as you can hear. I'm pretty sure the ends are fiberglass because they have a lot more detail going on. If you were to cold cast this or cast it in metal, it would be pretty costly. So as you can see, we've got letters on each piece, so it catalogs, and so you know exactly what piece goes where. So we've got A that is going to link up to A here, so you know exactly what end goes where. And again, it's all a screw thread, the whole piece, which I think is brilliant, and it's not just a flimsy kind of couple of threads and it's done. You really need to screw this bad boy on. And then of course we have B with B, and then finally the butt of the trident, C and C. This thing is heavy. I can't fit it in the frame. Okay, like I said, this thing is huge. Being 1:1 scale, and with my mower being what, 6'3", 6'4", you gotta expect this thing to be quite ginormous. So, obviously I don't have enough room here to properly frame this thing up, so we're gonna have a bit of fun with this thing. It's pretty hot out there. I think it's time for a swim. I think it's time you guys finally saw me in that pool after posing in front of it for God knows how long. But before I do that, I can honestly say this is one of the best and closest replicas you will get. Honestly, Ikon Collectables have blown this one out of the park in terms of presentation with the treasure chest and the layering, the dismantling and the instructions, just everything is there. It's pristine, it's amazing, it's themed, it's got weight to it, so it's got that authenticity to it. I love it. It is an amazing piece and I'm proud to add this to my collection. So with that, I'm gonna be giving the Ikon Collectables Aquaman Justice League 1:1 scale trident 5 geeks out of 5. Now, with that being said, let's go for a swim. So thanks very much for watching, guys. Again, a massive thank you to Ikon Collectables for sending this out for me to unbox and review. Beyond happy with it. It is a hefty, weighty prop. It makes you feel like Aquaman himself. But not just 5 out of 5 geeks for the prop itself, but for the treasure chest that came in, the way it was organized, dismantled, all the instructions. Ikon Collectables have knocked this one out of the park. Guys, wherever you are in the world, have yourselves a cracker of a day. I hope you're well, hope you're happy, be merry, be silly. And until next time, geeks, please always remember, cosplayers do it best. You're out of your mind, Bruce Wayne.